Every day you wake up, you've got two choices, comfort or growth. Comfort feels good now, but steals your future. Growth, it hurts, it's uncomfortable, but it builds something real. Champions aren't made from motivation. They're made from discipline, doing it when you don't feel like it. You don't rise when it's easy. You rise when you show up anyway. Stop waiting to feel ready. Start moving, start building. Your future is watching.
One thing I just noticed that I screwed up already pretty big on is that should not be there. That needs all this through it too, because that has to connect to that. So yeah, shit.
Wanna stay in the sun where I find I know it's hard sometimes. Pieces of peace in the sun's peace of mind. I know it's hard sometimes. Yeah, I think about the end just way too much, but it's fun to fantasize. All my enemies who wouldn't wish who I was, but it's fun to fantasize. Oh, 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 oh. I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Oh, 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 I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Taking my time on my ride. I die for you, that's easy to say. We have a list of people that we would take. A bullet for them, a bullet for you, a bullet for everybody in this room. But they don't seem to see many bullets coming through. See many bullets coming through. Metaphorically, I'm the man, but literally, I don't know what I do. I'd live for you, and that's hard to do. Even harder to say when you know it's not true. Even harder to write when you know that tonight there were people back home who tried talking to you, but then you ignored them still. All these questions, they're falling like, who would you live for? Who would you die for? And would you ever kill? Oh, 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 I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Oh, 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 I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Taking my time on my ride. I've been thinking too much. 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 Help me. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. Help me. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. Oh, 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 I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Oh, 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 I'm falling, so I'm taking my time. Taking my time on my ride. Oh, yeah. I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Oh, I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my. I've been thinking too much. Help me. I've been thinking too much. Help me. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. Help me. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. Help me.
All right, so I'm gonna do that new speaker breakout right now. And I'm gonna make them green, 2 greens, because that's what they are coming out of the control head. Why I didn't do that before, I really don't know. Maybe I didn't have green wire at the time, but I'm gonna make them green now. You saw in the video that I was putting epoxy in all these junctions here to seal up the gaps in the heat shrink. I think I mentioned before that I didn't know if I was going to do that or not, but I just decided I had it, so why not do it? It's pretty cool. The only crappy thing is when I do it, I try to do it at the end of the day. I'll go back and epoxy them. I use the syringe and shoot it in there. And the reason I do it at the end of the day, because the stuff takes a while to cure. And I kind of have to not touch anything while it's curing. So I do it at the end of the day. That way it's got all night, basically what I'm saying. Okay, so let's see how long this needs to be. I need 2 of them. I'm pretty sure all my lengths on stuff is gonna be pretty good. Just because when I did the rope on the pegboard over there, I did give myself a bit of a cushion, you know, some extra. Okay, so these are gonna be the new amplifier wires, and they will go here. This is just gonna be a miscellaneous power supply now. So I'll check these lengths. Perfect. Okay, so I think everything's gonna work out pretty well with this. Let me put this here. And then, let's see, run that to there. This is gonna suck pulling this through.